Google has a lot of products out there that they essentially give away called G Suite. And within G Suite, which includes YouTube and Gmail, but also Google Drive, it used to be called Google Docs. And we're going to be learning a few of these things in our second meeting. The reason for that is flipping requires students to work together with each other and with teachers. And that allows, and to do that, they have to share, and they have to share a lot of what they're making or doing in class. So you're going to have a series of things you're going to have to do in the class. It's going to be led by me, but also based on your Google entrance ticket. I'm going to put you in groups, and we're going to have hopefully a few experts, and who will be leading you in breakout rooms. So we're going to learn how to make a Google folder, quickly upload Google document, which is just in Microsoft the document, a Google slide, which in Microsoft is PowerPoint. We're going to go to more, and we're going to learn Google form, which is how you make what we call entrance and exit tickets. Entrance tickets assess what you know, exit tickets see what you learned. And we'll be doing that, and I'm going to show you real quickly what it's going to look like. So I've created, right here, a Learning G Suite folder. And if this were somebody else in the class, that other person, and it's logged in separately here, is going to create a folder. And my dog Zoe is around, so I'm going to call it Zoe's folder. And you're going to see Zoe's folder appear on the left in a second. And inside of it, I'm going to go put a document. I'm going to create it, and there is Zoe's folder, by the way, it just appeared. I'm going to go to Document. I'm going to call it, because you just click on here to give it a title, Zoe's document. And then you're going to have to do things. Writing on here, hello. And if I go into here, there's a document called Zoe's document, and you should see the word hello. And we can write on two screens at once. My name is Zoe the dog. And it appears on both of them. And we did this because we have a sharing item up here in the upper right, and you click on it, and if you allow anyone to edit, which is what I'm doing with this folder you're going to put everything in, they can put things in there or share, and you can limit it to editing or just something we're going to learn called commenting. Commenting, for example, is if I say done and I want to go here and say insert a comment down here, and this is for a teacher or a peer to comment on writing. Why are you writing about Zoe? Question mark, comment. If I blow up this screen to full size, you can see it's already there. How about that? And you can even do more. You can put a comment below it, link to it, hello, reply. If you go back to the original one, you can already see it. And you can also resolve it, and that's going to take it away. And that's when you fix the comment. So teachers can put a lot of stuff in there. So that's what we're going to be doing in the second time. I look forward to getting your exit tickets, your entrance tickets for this upcoming meeting. Bye.